Diabetes is a challenging condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It affects how your body uses sugar, which is a crucial source of energy for your cells. But did you know that your muscles play a crucial role in managing diabetes? Yes, your muscles are more important than you might think. It's true. Muscles are like little sugar sponges, soaking up sugar from your bloodstream. They help to regulate your blood sugar levels by absorbing sugar, especially after you eat. The more muscle mass you have, the better equipped your body is to control diabetes. This is because muscles use sugar for energy. It's not just about looking good or building strength. This is about improving your overall health and well-being. Building and maintaining muscle mass is vital for improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing diabetes. Insulin is like a key that unlocks your cells, allowing sugar to enter and provide energy. Without it, sugar stays in your bloodstream. When you have more muscle mass, your cells become more responsive to insulin, making it easier for your body to use sugar effectively. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, reducing the risk of high blood sugar levels. The result? Better blood sugar control, a healthier lifestyle, and a reduced risk of diabetes complications. So, start building those muscles today. Not all muscle fibers are created equal. Each type has its own unique characteristics and functions that play crucial roles in our daily lives and athletic performance. We have two main types, type 1 and type 2. Understanding the differences between them can help you tailor your fitness routine to meet your specific goals. Type 1 muscle fibers are like the marathon runners of your body. They are built for endurance and can keep you going for long periods without fatigue. They are slow-twitch fibers that excel at endurance activities. These fibers are highly efficient at using oxygen to generate energy for continuous extended muscle contractions. Think long walks, gentle swims, or maintaining good posture. These activities rely heavily on type 1 fibers to keep you moving smoothly and efficiently. While they are important for overall health, they don't play the starring role in glucose uptake. Their primary function is to support endurance and stamina. That's where type 2 muscle fibers steal the show. These fibers are designed for power and strength, providing the explosive energy needed for high-intensity activities. These fast twitch fibers are the sprinters, the powerhouses. They activate quickly and generate a lot of force in a short amount of time. They are responsible for those bursts of energy we need for activities like lifting heavy objects or climbing stairs. Their quick response and high power output make them essential for intense physical efforts. And here's the exciting part. Type 2 muscle fibers are particularly adept at absorbing glucose from your bloodstream. This makes them crucial for managing energy levels and metabolic health. Imagine them as eager sugar sponges, ready to soak up excess sugar and keep your blood sugar levels in check. This ability helps in preventing spikes in blood sugar and maintaining overall metabolic balance. By building and maintaining type 2 muscle fibers, you're essentially enhancing your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar. This not only supports your fitness goals, but also contributes to long-term health and well-being. As we age, it's natural to lose some muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, can start as early as our 30s and accelerates as we get older. But for individuals with diabetes, muscle loss can be particularly concerning. The interplay between muscle health and diabetes management is crucial. Why? Because losing muscle means losing those precious sugar sponges. Muscles play a vital role in absorbing glucose from the bloodstream. This can lead to poorer blood sugar control, increased insulin resistance, and a greater risk of diabetes-related complications. The consequences can be severe, affecting overall quality of life. Maintaining muscle mass is like protecting a valuable asset, your health. Regular strength training and physical activity are key to preserving muscle. It's about investing in your well-being and empowering yourself to live a healthier life. Engaging in activities like walking, jogging, or group fitness classes can make a significant difference. Think of it this way. When you lose muscle, your body becomes less efficient at using insulin. This inefficiency can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Imagine a door that's become rusty and difficult to open. This is what happens when your body becomes resistant to insulin. Insulin is the key, and the door is the entrance to your cells. When the key doesn't work well, glucose can't enter the cells efficiently. With insulin resistance, it's like the key struggles to unlock the door and sugar can't get into your cells as easily. This inefficiency can lead to higher blood sugar levels. This leads to a buildup of sugar in your bloodstream, a recipe for diabetic complications. Managing muscle health is essential for better diabetes control and overall well-being. So, how do we combat muscle loss and build those vital type 2 muscle fibers effectively? The answer lies in resistance training, a proven method. Resistance training, also known as strength training, is any exercise that forces your muscles to work against resistance. This could be lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even performing bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. The key is to challenge your muscles and stimulate growth consistently. Resistance training is particularly effective for building and maintaining type 2 muscle fibers, those glucose-guzzling powerhouses. When you engage in resistance training, you're sending a strong signal to your body to build and strengthen those fibers. This, in turn, improves your body's ability to use insulin and regulate blood sugar levels efficiently. It's like giving your muscles a good workout and making them more efficient at their job day by day.